Hi, you are welcome to Wealth Concept 365, where we simplify cybersecurity for easy understanding. Introduction to Social Engineering. Social engineering is a tactic where attackers use psychological manipulation to trick individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that compromise security. This can happen via emails phishing, phone calls phishing, or even physical interactions like tailgating into secure areas. How to recognize social engineering attacks. 4. Suspicious sources, like emails with odd sender addresses or poor grammar. Always verify the source through official channels. How to respond to social engineering attacks if you suspect an attack. 1. Do not provide sensitive information. 3. Use security measures like multi-factor authentication MFA to protect your accounts. Prevention strategies. 1. Regular security awareness training to educate employees on recognizing attacks. For more details, visit CISA's Guide on Avoiding Social Engineering or KnowBe4's resources on social engineering. This survey note provides a detailed exploration of social engineering, focusing on how to recognize and respond to these attacks. The content is informed by authoritative sources such as CISA, Imperva, and KnowBe4, ensuring a thorough understanding for both individuals and organizations. Understanding social engineering. Social engineering is defined as the art of manipulating people into divulging confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. It relies on exploiting human psychology, such as trust, fear, or urgency, rather than technical vulnerabilities. Sources like Imperva and CISA highlight that social engineering attacks can occur through various channels, including email, phone calls, and physical interactions, making awareness essential. To recognize these attacks, it's important to understand their forms. The following table summarizes common types with catchy examples: phishing, vishing, a caller posing as a coworker, asking for access to internal documents. A caller posing as a coworker, asking for access to internal documents. Tailgating. Quid pro quo. These examples, drawn from sources like CrowdStrike and Terranova Security, illustrate how attackers exploit human trust and curiosity. Recognizing social engineering attacks. Recognizing these attacks involves identifying red flags. Research from CISA and Imperva suggests the following signs. 1. 3. Too good to be true offers. Attractive deals like free prizes, often leading to malicious links. To verify, always contact the organization through official channels. 2. Verify identity. Call back using a known official number to confirm the requester's legitimacy. 3. Report incidents. Notify your IT department or security team if you suspect an attack, especially in organizational settings. For example, if you receive a phishing email, cross-check with the company via phone or their official website, as suggested by Imperva. 2. Strong password policies. Use complex passwords and enforce MFA. 3. Technical controls, implement firewalls, email filters, and intrusion detection systems to block suspicious traffic. Practice quiz for reinforcement. Question 2. Which of the following is a type of social engineering attack? A SQL injection. B. Phishing. B. Call back using a known official number. Question 4. What should you do if you receive an email from your bank asking for your login credentials? Reply with your credentials. Which of the following is a preventive measure against social engineering? Using weak passwords. Be sharing personal information on social media, lab-based exercises, and simulation platforms. 2. Arson. Provides AI-driven social engineering simulations. These platforms enable users to practice identifying and responding to attacks, such as simulating phishing emails or vishing calls, and provide insights for improving security posture. Real-world examples and case studies to make the content engaging include notable social engineering attacks. 1. The 2016 DNC email leak. Russian hackers used spear phishing to access Democratic National Committee emails, influencing the 2016 U.S. presidential election, as reported by sources like Tripwire. 2. The 2020 Twitter Bitcoin scam. Hackers compromised high-profile Twitter accounts through social engineering, promoting a cryptocurrency scam, costing victims over $100,000, as noted by BBC. 3. The 2013 Target data breach. Attackers used stolen credentials from a third-party vendor to access Target's network, stealing 40 million credit card numbers, highlighting the impact of social engineering, as per Digital Guardian. These examples, drawn from sources like Phoenixnet and InfoSec, illustrate the real-world consequences and the need for vigilance. Visual and engagement strategies. To make the video attractive, use 1. Visual aids, diagrams, and animations, such as highlighting suspicious email elements or depicting phishing scenarios. 2. Engaging narration, a professional voiceover with clear, concise explanations. 3. Catchy examples. Use the case studies above to illustrate concepts, making them relatable and memorable. 4. Tips and best practices. Highlight key takeaways in text or graphics, such as always verify requests or never click on suspicious links. This approach, informed by the need for accessibility and engagement, ensures the video is both educational and appealing. Conclusion. This comprehensive survey note, based on authoritative sources like CISA, Imperva, and KnowBe4, provides a detailed guide on recognizing and responding to social engineering attacks. By combining theoretical knowledge, practical quizzes, and hands-on simulations, individuals and organizations can build a robust defense against these pervasive threats, ensuring a safer digital environment. As of August 8, 2025, I know you are enjoying this cybersecurity made easy. Simply click the notification bell icon, like, share, and subscribe.